Hey guys, I gotta fill my pod. I think I'm about to. Yeah, it's pretty much. Best time to get it. Wait, never mind. I got it now. It's gonna take a while for it to get all the way through to the whole vape. But it is what it is. And today is Sunday, June 21st, Father's Day 2026. So then I hope you guys understand, so please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And keep me on the YouTube homepage or the YouTube community tab for when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.